Hi. So, you've probably always wanted to know or have an answer to the age-old question, can you cook a hot dog in an EV? And I mean, cook a hot dog in an EV. So, this is a slightly unique EV. This is my Arctic E-NIRO. What makes my Arctic E-NIRO different than a standard E-NIRO? Well, the LED light bar on the front, and I've got, don't hate me, I've got a diesel powered heater in it. It's called a Webasto, same as the Webasto. I've got that in the back so I can drive all over the Arctic in Finland in -20 with the heating turned off in the car. Saves me a lot of energy, because it takes a lot of energy to heat the car. Electric heating is not the best way of heating. So I'm gonna cook a hot dog. I've got the pipe coming out here. And I think, oh, that's hot. Let's see how long I can keep my hand in it. Woo! Yeah, it's pretty hot. That must be, the pipe. I put gloves underneath the pipe so it doesn't melt the leather on the seat. That must be 80 degrees, that metal pipe. So I'm gonna guess it must get that hot inside the pipe. So here is good old-fashioned microwavable hot dog. So they could have put a little sachet of ketchup in it. I gotta have a dry hot dog, man. Got some foil. I'm going to wrap the hot dog in the foil. Fold it over. I guess you can twist the ends like a sweet wrapper. That looks pretty good to me. Still got the bit on the foil there. There you go. There is one hot dog. Do my best Jamie Oliver impression. Packer, mate. So let's bang this in the oven and see what happens, alright? That's not Jamie Oliver, but there it is in my oven. How long should we give it? I think I'm gonna drive. It's 25 minutes to where I'm going. So I'm gonna drive to there. I'm in the middle of a road trip, by the way. The sandwiches were rubbish in there, so hot dog it is. Yeah, so I think 25 minutes will do it, and then when I get to my destination, which is in the middle of nowhere, I still have to do a snowmobile journey to my cottage. So I'm starving already. 25 minutes, that should be cooked. So I'll update in 25 minutes ish when I get there, and see if the food's ready in the oven. So bye for now. Okay, the moment of truth. 25 minutes later. Let's see if we have a hot dog. Let's see if we actually have a hot dog, or a lukewarm hot dog, or nothing hot dog. If I open this up and steam comes out, we've won. We have won the internet today. Is it too hot? It's hot. It feels hot. The foil is hot. Please steam. Please steam. that is hot. Oh. Whew, that is hot. That is too hot to hold. Oh my god, it's gone crispy. It's cooked. It's like it's been barbecued. The bread has actually got a bit of a crispness to it. Mmm. It's like toasted. I've toasted the flipping hot dog in the car. Mmm. That is hot. That is too hot. That is hotter than you get from a petrol station. Like when you go to a Shell and you get a hot dog. That's hotter. That is, temperature wise, that's like 20 degrees hotter than the petrol station hot dogs. Oh my god. I'm gonna cook paninis and everything in that thing. Oh wow, that's a great oven. I don't think I could fit a hamburger in it. I've got a hamburger here. It would be great if I could fit a hamburger in it, but the pipe's not big enough. That pipe, I just installed that myself. That does not come with a diesel heater. The diesel heater comes with a little pipe. Oh, this is actually like a long hamburger. It's like an oblong hamburger. So that probably will fit in there. Ooh, and you get hamburger mayonnaise with this one. Oh, that fits. Yeah, it'd be a tight fit with the foil around it, but it'll fit. Oh, now I can cook hamburgers and hot dogs in my car. Ah, the best day of my life. Well, there you have it. Haters gonna hate on that diesel heater, but who's laughing now with a cooked hot dog? If only I had a bit of ketchup. So not only does that Webasto keep the car warm, makes the car dry further, gives the car better range because I can have the car heating turned off. It cooks my food. I mean, what's not to like about it? Yes, it burns diesel, but it only burns like a litre. One. So that drive down there, so we've done 3.5 hours driving. That will have used less than a litre, less than 1 litre of diesel. 36, yeah, about a litre that will have used. And the car is like 18 degrees Celsius in here. It's lovely and warm. I've even got my sleeves rolled up. So I love that. And I am very far north in Lapland. I do need this diesel heater. So I'm going to have my lunch now without you guys watching me. And thanks for watching. This has been a great day. Bye.